Alright, good morning. So next morning, they finished that field up there. I was going to show you that, how tilted that thing is. I'll show you this bale here. And they left one of the Stewart trailers in the field, so I'll show you that as well. That was Tom's trailer, that one. On the Fendt 74 Gen 6. Anyway, this one of the bales, you can see just how tightly packed that is there. Right, hip height, very dense. I can show you the tough bales in a bit, but because it's here, I'll show you the trailer. Because probably won't get another chance to do that, will I? But got this hitch here. So that's it. No, that probably does rotate actually. But it is really stiff. Like that, holding that. Mud guards. All the electrics and hydraulics there. The ladder, which I'll show you into the trailer in a sec. It's got the Stewart Pro Series 20 to 26H LM12 hardox in my body. This sign confirms that this product has made genuine hardox wear plate in my body. Hardox is registered trademark of SAB. Cool. Assured food standard. Nice. So this bit here is for, like, you know, when a Jim's trailer, it could fold over. Yeah, and like cover the grains. He didn't use it, but it was there. Indicator. Now the mud guard. The lights at the back. Grain door here, so if you want to do it, you just do it, that and move it and stuff. To open that up, see, quite dusty. Wheat grain here. Hoses. Nothing much on this side. And they've got two hitches there back as well. Right, I'll quickly. Right. So with these trailers, what you do, lift them up, lift it up, pull it out, and then you can climb up. These are bigger trailers than the other ones. So, got some wheat still left in it. There, so you can see. You can see through it there. So, glass panel. Right, and I'll quickly show you inside because there's these steps, so I'll be able to get out. Steps, and not those are the steps. There, you can see them there. So, still got some dust here in the trailer. You can see through there. It's a much longer trailer than what the Norton Farm's house, because theirs only goes up to like here, I'm pretty sure. Not all the way here. Still got some wheat here. That's the grain door there. So yeah, that's the Stewart trailer here. Yeah. Alright, I'll show you that collapsed bale now. We'll put away so you can see this. You push up to get out there, and that just comes down, secures in place there. So get it up, and then do the opposite. And then when putting it back, you pull this one up, and then until it doesn't move up anymore. Where we'll push it up from here. Now these steps are nice and much long, like a couple rungs longer than Norton Farm, so it's much easier to get on them. I'm not going all the way up. Like an issue, like to your hip, to do that. Since I'm here, I'll show you the curve, the ones that look like they're going to fall over as well. And then that'll probably be the end of the video. Yeah, you can see they finished that wheat field there, and they'll come back for the one next to it tomorrow. That is one of my favourite karting trains, that Stewart is. The only thing I'd change with it is put the fucking, what's it? You know, the cover on it, so you can put the cover over, so you don't lose any wheat or whatever crop you're doing. Right, and just quickly on the other side, just before I show you the broken bale. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bales high, which how long the bale stacker can do lengthways. Yeah, it's quite a long thing here. You can see just there is where the bales fell from. I might as well go through here. Now that's a nice package. This one fucking survived, hasn't it? Yeah, that's solid, but I can't say the same for this one. I know. This bale that survived, yeah, so that's where they came out of, and they like here. They actually made it fair way. They didn't just fall over, they also came this way. Oh yeah. I think these ones fell when they put the one that's next to it there, put them in, and then these fell, because that's when I saw them, when they put these on, and I saw these on the ground. So don't know if they did it by themselves or not. It's a nice trailer, that. So with the early ones, they stacked them one less high, but then these ones, they just went all out. And just quick, I'll show you the bales that look like they're gonna fucking fall over in a sec. Right, we're pretty much at the bales now. You can see just how leant over they are. There you go. Guys, especially like that last lot, right on the far side, see those leant over just there, and those ones here, because if those to fall on the other side, I could, they could fall on me. I'm gonna go on this side where they're not then. Oh, and it's in the shade as well. You just like that there. A little leant over. Fuck the sun. You can see those kind of leant over. I'll show you this side. See just how leant over that lot is, and then that lot as well. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon, and bye for now.